I got something in the mail today. It's an Underdog vaporizer. I've been looking forward to this for a long time, even though I just ordered it, I don't know, a week or two ago. It's sort of a custom Underdog, but it's kind of, I just asked Underdog to have him make it however he sees fit. He being Underdog. I got some aromatherapy stuff. Stainless stem. Looks like 4 other stems. Power source. Beeswax. I guess this is the aroma cup. This is a thing. More electronic gadgetry. Uh-oh, I have to read a sticker. I hope it doesn't take too much reading. I am not very good at that. Okay, apparently it doesn't take much reading. Helpful hints. Alright, cool. I'm probably just going to end up taking the intuitive route at first, because I am about to make another video, which will be my losing my virginity to a dog video. And here is that dog. Oh. Alright, I've been waiting for a long time. Here's my heck, what's this wood called? It's called something pod, because I believe it starts out as a pod, like an acorn kind of thing. Shit. It's just not coming to me. I don't know why. But yeah, so I should plug this in. I guess I'm gonna have to stop rolling the tape here shortly, because this takes some time to warm up. Okay, where did I put that razor? Yeah. Blade. Shit. I'm a klutz. You probably can't tell from watching the video, but my hands don't work very well. My everything doesn't work very well, but especially my legs. And I really can't wait to get this ready to use. Oh heck, I have to get under the table to unplug the SSV that I'm probably not going to use for a long time. Or ever. I like the SSV, but I've been waiting for a while to have a reason not to use it. Okay. Alright, wish me luck. I could get hurt doing this. Ow. Oh, shit. Ow. That was my head. Alright. Ouch. Okay. Think we got that working? I can't feel any heat yet. I don't know if that takes some time or what, but yeah, so here's my Underdog. You can see the top. Underdog mentioned the pattern on the top, saying she liked that, which I do too. I like this thing. It's very it's pretty. And Dave or Underdog left a message or made a post the other day saying he's probably not going to make any more of these with this wood after he's done making the ones that he has left. So yeah, I do that to people. I still don't feel any heat. Hopefully it's any good. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna end this one now, and hopefully here in the next half hour or less I'll have everything ready to go for my using it for the first time video. And drink this. Green smoothie does wonders for the head. Alright, see ya.